Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, take a look at this, guys. This is that special plug that I use for my Furman generator. And it's a 30 amp, goes right in front of the genset. Let's do that right now first. There she is, guys. She's plugged in. What are we doing today? You remember that Milwaukee chop saw, the metal abrasive disc chop saw I had? Well, the viewers wanted to know if my Furman could run it. And I'm thinking, no way. This is a maximum of 4450, runs at 3550, so 28 amps. It ain't going to do it because I remember the test. If you guys never seen the test, I'll put a link down below for that test of me testing out my metal chop saw. And yeah, the results were roughly 36 amps. I don't think this is going to run it, but you want to try it? Let's try it. We'll see if this Furman genset can run this Milwaukee chop saw. And yeah, I don't think it's going to do it, guys. So let's get started right now. Let's start a cut. Well, guys, does that not just blow your mind or what? Here's the cut right here. And yeah, it's a little bit of a rough cut, but I mean, it's fine for me. Guys, here's the extension cord, 14 gauge. Wow, like 37 amps. This Furman just blows my mind. I could not believe that it did that. Now, you might not have heard it in the vid, but guys, this thing was keeping up like no tomorrow. The more I pressed, the more she kept up. And I thought, you know what? That's just terrific, because I have some projects up at the camp where I have to cut 3.5 inch pipe. The same pipe as that, but 3.5 inch. And the Furman will come in handy right there. So thanks again for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a torture test on the Furman again. And guys, I just can't believe that it actually pulled 37 amps out of that genset. So that's a pretty good genset as far as I'm concerned. Thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again, guys. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.